Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Waris. Welcome you all in Healthcare with Dr. Waris. Viewers, today we are presenting before you a very new disease emerging, new virus named as coronavirus. According to WHO, coronavirus is a family of the viruses that cause illness, ranging from common cold to severe diseases such as Middle East respiratory syndrome, MERS or SARS. Means severe acute respiratory syndrome. And these viruses are transmitted from animals, that is called zoonotic infections, because in this as first time in China it emerged from seafoods to humans. Like the family of the virus is from the SARS-like virus, the SARS severe acute respiratory syndrome virus is transmitted from civet cats to humans from China also, and 650 deaths has been reported. And while MERS traveled from a type of camel in Saudi Arabia and kills about 800 people in that period. The novel coronavirus identified in China authorities on January 7th, 2020, and currently named as 2019 N coronavirus. It is a new strain that had not been previously identified in humans. Viewers, little is known about this virus, although human-to-human transmission has been confirmed, but originally it is zoonotic from seafood to humans. And signs and symptoms according to WHO, signs of infection include the respiratory symptoms, fever, cough, shortness of breath, and respiratory difficulties. In more severe cases, it can lead to renal failure and death. How deadly it is? Some experts say it may lead as deadly as another type of the coronavirus, such as SARS, which killed nearly 800, I have previously told you, in China, and in 2002 and 2003 an outbreak of that virus has been declared. Rare cases have been reported mostly in China. Chinese officials said that at least 20 people have died in Wuhan city, and there are also 571 cases reported beyond China. Thailand has reported 4 cases, while South Korea, Taiwan, Japan, Malaysia and US have also reported the cases. What is being done to stop it? There is no vaccine for this new virus. Chinese authorities have efficiently sealed off the Wuhan city, and the residents could not leave without any special reason. Airport authorities across Asia quickly start up the screening of the passengers from Wuhan. Prevention measures: wash hands with hot water at least 6 times a day. Hand hygiene is very mandatory, and you must wash your hand for at least for 20 seconds. Hot showers, drinking of plenty of water, plenty of sleep can avoid and prevent from this disease. Avoiding touching your mouth, hand, nose and eyes. Yet there is no vaccine for prevention, but these steps can prevent you. As a number of our students and the professionals are in China, and so virus risk rises when these students and our people also. So the great threat to Pakistan in this means also stands. Mode of spread, I have already told you, is from infected animals. We will inform you and keep you updated as new information regarding this virus has been arise. So till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.